In this quick video, I'll show you how to download playlist from YouTube in laptop. If you found this video helpful, then please consider subscribing my channel and also like this video. So firstly, open YouTube on your computer or laptop and then search your playlist. I'll simply search my playlist here or get your playlist. So this is the playlist I want to download in my laptop. I'll open it. And now as you can see, I can download this particular video from this playlist. You can see the option here, but I can't download the whole playlist. There is no option to download whole playlist. All we need to do is tap on the three dots which are available on the top of playlist. I'll simply tap here and then click on save playlist to library, and after that we need to tap on these three lines which are on left panel. Just click on it and then go to playlist section from here, and after that it will show you all the playlists which are saved in your library. After that click on view full playlist, you can see it in bottom, and then it will open your playlist, and after that you can see this download option under your playlist. I'll simply tap on it, then it will start downloading all the videos from your playlist. But remember that it will only download the videos which are downloadable from YouTube. If any video is not downloadable, then it will not download that video. It will download rest of the videos. Now it's your time to repay me. For that you can just subscribe my channel. I would really appreciate it. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.